Okay, so here is the thing. The most difficult part for me is the background. I think painting the portrait and the elements of it comes very naturally to me, but the background is where it gets very, 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 very chaotic. And the reason is background for me is supposed to be very abstract, and lately just an abstract drip of painting like the stage it was in the beginning is not the one that I want to add in more elements so that it complements the portrait and it does not come naturally to me. I have to think a lot on what to do on the background and everything. So what I'm doing in this painting is basically I have taken some reference of the coral illustrations and some examples on Pinterest, and I'm just trying to replicate them. I'm not trying to be very detailed about these things because the main subject of this entire painting is the portrait itself and the bird, of course. I love drawing a bird over a portrait. I think I've done this quite several times now and I absolutely love it. I love the abstract nature of the entire painting. But yeah, in this background you will see me playing with some different shapes, some different details, and since the entire painting is in this really beautiful turquoise color, I think the one color that really complements this is a very nice, prettiest shade of pink. So in the end of the painting I will just take my knife and add some pink elements to it. Not actually elements, just some abstract shapes with the knife and some lines. I think some geometrical lines goes very well with some organic lines. So this is just my way of painting this particular portrait. I don't follow the rules in every single portrait. This is not, I would say, oh, this is my art style, this is what I do. No, I am still in search of my art style. I don't have a particular art style. As of now, I am in a space where I'm just painting regularly and trying to figure out what I like, what I don't like, and yeah, that's it. You can stay tuned to see my more art journey with me of how I think, how I paint. If you're interested in knowing how I drew this portrait, then let me know. I might have made a reel on this. I don't know. I might have made a process video. I actually don't remember because this was done quite a while back. So I'll just check if I can do more portraits where I show my entire journey from the beginning to the end. And yeah, hope you like it.